In this video, I'll show you how to fix the verify phone number, too many verification requests error in ChatGPT or OpenAI, what usually causes it, and the best way to get past it without making it worse. First, here's the important update. OpenAI's Help Center says phone verification is no longer required for new ChatGPT account creation or normal ChatGPT usage. Phone verification is currently tied to generating your first API key on the OpenAI developer platform, not to basic ChatGPT sign-up. So if you're seeing this while trying to use regular ChatGPT, make sure you actually need phone verification for what you're doing. Now, if you really are in a phone verification step and you get too many verification requests, the most important fix is to stop retrying over and over. OpenAI's rate limit guidance says repeated requests in a short period can trigger limits, and retrying too fast can keep the problem going longer. So instead of resending the code again and again, wait and try later. Another major reason this happens is that the phone number may already have hit OpenAI's usage limit. OpenAI says a phone number can only be used for phone verification up to 3 times. So if that same number has already been used across multiple OpenAI accounts, that may be why verification is failing now. OpenAI repeats this limit in both its phone verification, FAQ, and account deletion guidance. You should also know that OpenAI does not currently let you change the phone number associated with your account later. Their Help Center says changing or updating the phone number on your account is not supported for either ChatGPT or the API. So if the wrong number was used before, there usually isn't a simple edit button to swap it out afterward. If you're stuck during login or sign up more generally, OpenAI recommends standard account troubleshooting steps. Clear your browser cache and cookies. Use an incognito or private window. Try a different browser or device, and make sure you're using the correct sign-in methods such as Google, Apple, Microsoft, or email, depending on how you originally registered. There's one more important detail. If you permanently deleted a consumer ChatGPT account, OpenAI says the phone number may be removed from their system after 30 days, and only then may you be able to sign up again with that same number in eligible cases. So if the number was tied to an old deleted account, time may be part of the solution. So the best way to fix verify phone number, too many verification requests, is to stop repeated attempts, wait before retrying, make sure you actually need phone verification, check whether the number has already been used too many times, and try basic browser and login troubleshooting. If the problem continues after that, contact OpenAI support through the Help Center. Hope the tutorial was helpful. Subscribe to my channel and see you in the next video.